Welcome to another Explainer. Today, we're diving into how AppointPax Pro literally transforms a standard WordPress site into a 24/7 automated booking machine. Look, if you manage a service-based business, or you're an agency building sites for clients who do, you already know the drill. Clunky, bloated booking plugins are just an absolute nightmare for conversion rates and site performance.
Okay, let's look at our roadmap for today. We're going to cover the broken booking system, meeting your new AI assistant, a look inside the WordPress dashboard, mastering that booking flow, automations and integrations, and finally, the bottom line. Let's see exactly how this engine upgrades your workflows from the back end out.
All right, part 1, the broken booking system and how you might be losing revenue while you sleep. We really have to start by acknowledging the painful reality here. Those static, clunky booking forms, they are causing incredibly high bounce rates.
So ask yourself this: how many appointments did your website actually fill to book last night? I really want you to think about all those missed opportunities while your team was grabbing lunch, off the clock, or simply busy with other clients. Your website was probably just sitting there, right? Literally bleeding potential customers who just gave up trying to navigate a complicated, frustrating calendar.
And the cost of doing nothing? Well, it's staggering. Even when people do somehow manage to book, without automated workflows and reminders, up to 35% of those appointments end up as no-shows. 35%! That is a massive leak in your revenue stream simply because the follow-up process is entirely manual, or let's be real, practically non-existent.
Moving on to part 2, meet your AI assistant and what we call the conversational pivot. Let's look at the modern solution that fixes this completely. Instead of a rigid, intimidating wall of form fields that just absolutely scares mobile users away, an AI engine guides your visitors dynamically. It feels natural, like a real conversation, asking just one question at a time to keep engagement super high. And the absolute best part? It's trained specifically on your business FAQs, your exact services, and your pricing. It basically acts as a frictionless, 24/7 front desk teammate booking clients for you at 2 in the morning.
Which brings us to part 3, inside the WordPress dashboard for a bit of a technical deep dive. Because the real magic for us as WordPress admins is how beautifully this operates natively right on the back end. Checking out the AppointPax Control Center, you'll immediately notice how it integrates natively into WordPress. No bouncing between annoying third-party SaaS apps, no dealing with clunky iframes. It gives you this clean, highly professional, unified hub for your services, your locations, and real-time analytics, so you can instantly track exactly what's actually converting.
Poking around under the general settings, you've got total flexibility. You dictate the front-end positioning, and crucially, you can seamlessly route multiple notification emails. Just drop in some comma-separated admin addresses, and boom, your entire team gets instantly pinged the second a new booking lands.
Now, if you're an agency developer, the Appearance tab is going to be a massive win for you. It goes way beyond just basic white labeling or a simple dark mode toggle. You get a dedicated custom CSS block for complete aesthetic control. This ensures the chat interface blends flawlessly, and I mean flawlessly, with literally any custom WordPress theme you throw at it.
You also have these amazing granular display rules right at your fingertips. So instead of just blasting the widget across the entire site, you can set conditional triggers. Maybe you only want the assistant on specific service pages, or you want to delay its appearance by a few seconds for a more organic feel, or even hide it entirely from users who are already logged in. It's totally up to you.
All right, part 4, mastering the booking flow and its step-by-step logic. Let's actually trace how this builds a completely frictionless customer journey from start to finish.
From the user's perspective on the front end, they experience this incredibly smooth sequence. They chat with the AI, select a location, pick their service and time, and then securely pay their deposit. The entire flow happens right inside the chat window. You're capturing the lead and the cache in under 60 seconds without a single disruptive page reload.
And behind the scenes, mapping out that logic is ridiculously straightforward. By just flipping a few simple toggles, you build strict rules of engagement. You can require payment steps, mandate contact info, and dictate exactly how reschedule or cancel requests are handled in the admin dashboard. It is logic building made completely effortless.
If you happen to manage physical branches, say distinct Ikeja and main office locations, the multi-location logic cleanly separates availability and team schedules. The genius here is that everything is handled within a single plugin instance. It keeps all your data perfectly in sync, without forcing you into a bloated, complex WordPress multi-site setup.
Moving right along to part 5, automations and integrations.
This is essentially your new 24/7 workforce. Because what happens after the booking is made is where the real automated magic kicks in. The system automatically fires off branded emails and instant PDF confirmations. This is exactly how you drastically reduce those 35% no-shows we talked about earlier. Plus, it natively utilizes trusted payment gateways like Paystack and Flutterwave to instantly capture deposits right there in the chat. Add in real-time language translation and a secure staff portal, you literally have an entire round-the-clock workforce consolidated into one single tool. And finally, part 6, the bottom line, and that tangible ROI. Let's step back for a second and look at the actual business impact of implementing these technical workflows.
Adiazi's experience is just undeniable proof of this impact. She replaced 3 bloated plugins and a manual spreadsheet and saw her bookings jump 41% in the first month alone. 41%! Consolidating your tech stack into one intelligent flow isn't just about back-end efficiency. It drives immediate, massive conversion spikes.
And it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, with pricing that's highly competitive for us WordPress professionals. It scales effortlessly, starting at just $39 a year for a single site, moving to a 5-site business plan for $99, all the way up to an enterprise tier covering 10 sites at $149 a year. That includes all the updates and support you need to keep a high-performing engine running smoothly.
So, I'll leave you with this. Is your website truly working for you 24/7? Are you going to keep losing clients and real revenue to frustrating, clunky forms? Or are you finally ready to let AI fill your calendar on absolute autopilot? It's a massive, massive shift in how WordPress handles scheduling. Keep optimizing, keep building, and we'll catch you on the next Explainer.